I told you many times you don't eat your pork. And you going to the porch and eat your pork. And I feed you. Now this is your dinner. Pumpkin, chicken, brown rice, and carrots. And cabbage. Say sorry to me. Say sorry of no food. No manners, no service, Pat says. No manners, no service. Say sorry. You want to eat? Say sorry. You want to eat? No, you need to say sorry. Sorry. You need to say sorry. Hurry up. Say sorry. Say please. Say thank you. Say thank you. Very good. And say sorry. Very good. Now you eat. You got it. No manners, no service. No, that's not yours. Go. Go eat. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Don't eat your poop. You understand me? Go eat your poop. Go. Go. No sugar. You got yours. No, that's your sister. You can't even finish yours. Go ahead. Go eat your food.